Bennett University is an up-and-coming university which offers law as its UG program. So in this video, I will be covering all the important details that you need to know if you want to pursue law at your Bennett University or not. Alright, first of all, Bennett University is located in Greater Noida, UP, and it offers two programs, BA LLB and BBA LLB. They also have an option for an honors degree, which is a 3+1, 4-year degree. Okay, so all of this information is taken right from their website. This is the 5th best law college under the university category in UP, a ranking given by IIRF in 2023. Placements and career options. So the highest package a student has gotten from this program is 15.6 LPA, but this is their average package. Again, this information is all taken from their website. They also have a whole different team, most likely like other colleges too, who sort out best internships and job offers for their students. The eligibility criteria is you need to pass the 12th grade with minimum 60% marks, and English must be a compulsory subject for you. For NRI students, minimum is 55% aggregate marks in grade 12th with A-level score in ELR. So English is a mandate for this university. Now the selection, how are they going to select? Selection will be based on class 12th, 3 best subjects, one of them being English and any other 2 subjects with the highest score, and there's going to be a personal interview as well. Okay, so not just merit, but there's also PI waiting for you in the middle of your selection process. Third subject cannot be music, dance, painting, all the vocational subjects. Now this is a fee structure. Okay, this is the same fee structure for BA LLB and BBA LLB. I'll quickly move out so you can take a screenshot. Now, if you're not from Noida and are planning to move here, you will probably look for hostels. This is a facility provided by the college, and this is the fees along with other fees that they will be charging you. So kindly take a screenshot of this as well. Alright, now after looking at all of these numbers, if you find that this is going to be very hard on your pocket, they also provide scholarships. Okay, they provide a 50%, 30%, 20%, 10% scholarships based on your 12th grade marks, which is only best of 3 subjects, and even your CLAT score, even your LSAT score is considered for scholarship, your IB score, and even your CUET score is also considered. So all these exams are considered, and if you have a good enough score, you can be, be used to given the scholarship. Now, there are also other special scholarships besides merit. Okay, there's a sibling scholarship. So there's legacy in this college. There's a single girl child. There's alumni. There's a defense personnel scholarship as well. There's a sports scholarship as well, which is almost up to 50% scholarship. These are wonderful scholarship programs if you find the fees is going to be a little hard on your pocket. Again, the location is Greater Noida. So again, take the decision based on the location and other factors related to the location. Alright, that's it. These are most important details that you need to know to consider law at Bennett or not. If you need any other videos from us, kindly use the comment section for your good, and kindly like the video and share it to everybody who's still contemplating where should they pursue law. Thank you so much.